Hello, my name's Colette. Today we're going to make a polar bear puppet. You will need
some cardboard. I used an old cereal packet, some scissors, ruler and a pencil, a glue stick, 2 paper clips, some sellotape, 2 straws and a black pen. Cut out a piece of card 8 cm by 30 cm long. Fold the card 3 cm from the top and bottom and near the middle about 13 cm down. Fold the top section to meet the other end and glue together. Use 2 paper clips to hold it secure. From your cardboard, cut a big circle for the polar bear's head and 2 small half circles for the ears. Draw on the inside of the ears and then stick them on the back of the head. Draw some eyes, a nose and mouth to make the bear's face. Stick the head onto the front of the cardboard body. From the cardboard, cut 4 legs, 3 cm by 15 cm, and fold them back and forth. Round the ends of each leg to make the paws. Glue the legs onto the underneath of the body. Attach the 2 straws together with sellotape on the underside of the body. And there you have it, your polar bear puppet.